Jarvis Street. Setting is in a nice, quiet neighborhood. Haven't seen any bad disturbance. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath. Gonna come around to the left side of the house. Small yard back here. Back of the house. Come over to the side. Not a lot of room over here, but you don't have any close neighbors too close to the house. Walking back around. Takes you back up to the front. Nice windows right here. Nice sitting porch, sitting area. Plenty of room. This entrance right here brings you to a bedroom setting. Nice wood fireplace. Is a little damage up here. This room has a smaller closet, but it is still have plenty of room. Hallway takes you to the bedrooms. Right here, this is the area that was used as the living room. Has a separate door over here. Coming this way brings you to the kitchen area. Good size. Linoleum flooring. Get a view this way. This could be used as a bedroom or a dining room area. It doesn't have a closet. So I would say that this would be the dining room. Carpet looks new, feels new. Just needs to be tightened up. Coming back here to the back of the house brings you to a washroom area. This room holds the washer, dryer, and hot water heater. There's a little weak spot right there. Very sturdy though, sturdy room. Coming back through the dining room area brings you to 2 more bedrooms. Here's the middle. Carpet is the same, feels new, just needs to be tightened. Hard to get inside this closet. And this is bedroom number 3. It's a smaller bedroom area than the other 2. But it might just feel that way. Closet area. Still got some room, still small in size. Middle bedroom again. Takes you to the hallway. And this is the bathroom in the house. Has some storage areas over here. Tub. Sink area. Water's not on at the moment. Just a little coming out still, but it's off. Area. Which brings us back to the first room we came to, that first bedroom.